I am so excited. I just got my new Dyson Zyklone V10 animal cord-free vacuum. I have been looking forward to this for so long. The box came in really nice shape. It came within a box, within a box, within a box. So it's going really well as far as the quality of the outer structure goes. I can't wait to unbox this. I've also been moving for the past week, so I don't know if you can see. I have 1, 2, 3. Where are the others? Look at all this carpet I have to vacuum. All this fluff. Yuck. Oh, there's 4. Hi, Bernard. I have 6 furry animals, and I cannot wait to put this to the test. I'm so excited. Cool. Wow. All right. Okay, definitely gonna take a look at the directions first. But this is pretty neat. It's a lot bigger than I actually thought, like holding it and stuff. It's pretty big.
Yeah, for real.
Cool. I'm gonna read some directions and put it together. This is on low. Look at all of that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm gonna get on the other side of you. It's doing such a great job. Look at all that stuff it's picking up. Oh my goodness. Yay! This is my husband. Hi. This is Bernard. That's a Wally. And this is our new awesome Dyson V10 animal. And we love it. We love it.